cherry blossoms or was it a bus? Stay tuned
for our adventures from Maryland to Ohio.
We took a chance with sunshine and stormy weather. God had a plan, and now the world is our treasure. It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We continued our journey in Maryland and checked out the Ocean City Boardwalk, and it was so beautiful. We arrived early and it was quite chilly, but that was okay, and the tourist season hadn't begun, so it was very nice and quiet, and we were really able to enjoy the tour and this interesting building. And then we were encouraged to go to the crab cake factory for lunch, where David enjoyed some delicious crab cakes. In fact, he said they were the best he had ever had. Then on to see this wonderful lighthouse, where we really enjoyed seeing that. So thus ended a wonderful trip in Maryland, and prepared to head to Virginia. Virginia was not that far away, so we had a great trip arriving at a wonderful, unique campground called Greenville Farms Campground. And what a neat place it was. Friendly, very clean, had animals, they lived there and all, but it was very, very nice. Greenville Farm Campground. Who would ever think right here in Virginia? It was in the city, now we're in the country. Saw some adorable baby sheep just then.
This is circle wide around garage.
ABC News.
It's 9:52. Flight cancellations and delays because of the winter weather.
Ball's over here. Over by the steps.
You're supposed to swim 20 times at that. 378.
Only film when we're winning.
People started doing weird things. Well, the egg roll will be next Monday, the Easter egg roll.
Left out from Virginia today and we're headed back toward Ohio, and this is the weather we've had to deal with pretty much the whole way. Rainy, foggy, and just not a very good driving day as far as condition goes. Just kind of a nasty driving day. Sometimes we ran into fog like you can see up above, you almost couldn't see. As we're going through the mountains, all of a sudden we start hearing the buzz, and we got a check engine light on and an indicator. So we pulled off, stopped and checked a few things out to make sure that we could figure out what was going on, and we ended up couldn't figure out exactly what was going on, so we made a few phone calls. We called Tiffin, we called Spartan, and ultimately ended up calling Cummings after we talked to the people at Tiffin and Spartan. Spartan is the chassis that we're on, and from what we can find out from Cummings, it's something to do in the wiring harness with the EGR valve. This from the code that we got, that we was able to give them, and so we got something going on with the EGR valve and possibly the wiring harness, which that does kind of make sense to us because we did have a little problem with the wiring harness earlier this year, and we had some dash lights that wasn't working, and we had to kind of troubleshoot that and kind of a jump a wire over to get those working. And we had an issue with water getting into the fuels box outside in that front compartment on the driver's side, which could have helped contribute to some of those issues, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. So we're going to have to try to get her to a Cummings dealer back in Ohio, see if we can get this troubleshooted and fixed and eliminated for once and for all. But in the meantime, we're going to have to drive with this buzz going on. So just wanted to let you guys know, on the road you run into different things, and this is one of them. So you got to just make the best of it. And on top of that, we're leaving the campground today, and had a little muddy area right at the edge of the campground, and kind of got stuck, and we pulled forward a bit, and then we ended up rolling back a little bit and ended up breaking our tow bar again. So we're just having a fun day today. reality 101 is set it in. So, but overall, you take the good with the bad, and this little bit of bad we've had today can no way eliminate all the good we've had so far and the good that's up ahead. So.
Did not expect to have to be brushing off, what, 5 inches of snow or more off the top of the RV. We just can't get a break with this snow. We didn't think about you have to brush the snow off the top of the slides. And at first look, it didn't look like this much till you went to slide the slides in. Yuck. It's pretty. But happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amber. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Noah's Blessed Adventures would like to thank all of you for watching. And for those of you that have not subscribed yet, don't forget to push that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up for a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave us a comment. See you down the road.